After becoming an adult, I accompany her as a child. There is no age limit for joy. Beautiful possibilities need to be jointly created. Inspired by life, we have been utilizing technology to transcend the shackles of the imagination and realize more possibilities. If science is changing our lives, then behind the technology, who is it that creates the infinite possibilities for us? Artillery is an international 3D printer technology enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and services. We always focus on product experience and customer opinions so that our global users can enjoy high-quality products and services. In just 3 years, Artillery has developed into a Chinese first-line brand of overseas consumer 3D printers. With over 100 agents, distributors, and partners around the world, Artillery's products have been exported to over 100 countries and regions, such as America, Europe, Australia, and others. Artillery has nearly 1 million 3D printing users across the world. In 2018, when Artillery was established, it launched its first 3D printer, Artillery SWX2. Thanks to its minimalist design and superior stability, we became one of the world's best-selling 3D printers of the year. In the year that followed, the Artillery Genius and the USD 1000 level Artillery Hornet were launched one after the other, which quickly escalated the 3D printer industry into a sensation. On social media platforms, the product review videos have accumulated more than 30 million views and received high praise from users in China and abroad. In 2 years, we have gone from a brand new brand to being firmly in the top tier of product sales. It is our endless dedication to our products that has made what is possible today. When we developed the Artillery SWX1 for an ingenious lining design, we came up with 3 proposals a week. We changed anything if it did not look good. That marks the attitude of the whole company towards the products. There is no room for compromise. I remember when the first batch of finished products of our brand were shipped. Problems were found halfway. It was then decided that several hundred machines were immediately discarded and stacked in foreign warehouses. We insist that we're in the brand business and we can't give our customers a product that isn't perfect. We have super high requirements for the stability of our products. It can be said that we have spared no expense. Generally, the market uses the standard 2020 profile for the X-axis, but we have used 2060. A girl of more than 40 kilograms can sit on it without any problem. Later, innovative products appeared on the market with what were used only up to 2040.
The general international packaging standard includes a 1.2 meter drop test, but our requirements are set at 1.5 meters. We designed the first batch of product packaging with 12 corner guards to provide good protection all around. In testing the packaging quality, our managerial personnel P simply threw a product down from the second floor. Although the colleagues were stunned, it turned out that we had once again exceeded our limits.
We are proud of the silence and stability of our products. A Taiwanese customer used the other brands at the beginning, but later switched to our machines. Although all 50 printers were operated at the same time, he could still sleep soundly in the office. Hearing the customer's recognition, we felt inside that all the efforts were worthwhile. A customer replaced a printer's motherboard. The work indicator hidden in the nozzle did not change according to the work requirements. It did not affect the printer's operation. Once we think of optimization requirements of our products, our family-like staff of the after-sales department could not sit still and insisted on finding out the cause. In the end, after step-by-step troubleshooting the motherboard problems, we found that bug. It may be the spirit of perfectionism that creates a more perfect product, As a result, we have after-sales outlets in countries such as the USA, Canada, France, and others. This helps us to timely identify product deficiencies and to solve customer problems more quickly and easily. The miracles created by Artillery as seen today stems from our belief that only human beings can create infinite possibilities. With such a belief, we insist on innovation and excellence to continuously provide high-quality products and services so that our global users can enjoy the fun of 3D printing and explore and create their own infinite possibilities.